1 cup of defrosted mangoes. Dice this into small pieces. If you like spicy food, you can go ahead and add some jalapeno slices and dice these up. If you have a fresh jalapeno, you can use a little bit of that. So I like a little bit of spice. I'm going to add, about 1.5 tablespoons. Dice this and then add it to the blender with the other ingredients. One pound of fresh raw cauliflower. So I'm going to start by cutting the back of the plastic, not too deep. Just break off the greens that we're going to discard because those we are not eating. So then I can pull up the plastic. And then you can see how easily this just breaks off. And then I'm going to put this in the recycle bin. So I'm looking for 1 pound, which is 16 ounces. 1 small cauliflower, when the leaves and the core are removed, yields about 1 pound. So I've got 16 ounces, which is 1 pound. 1 red bell pepper, seeded, cored, and diced. One medium, this one's kind of large, carrot, peeled and shredded. I'm not going to use the whole carrot because this is going to be too much. And then here is my shredded carrot. I'd add this to the rest of the ingredients. Fresh cilantro, I'm not going to use all of it, just a little bit. I'm going to rinse it and shake off the excess water. And these limp pieces, we're just going to discard. Move the ends to slice these thinly. Got my tamper handy and keep it on low the entire time, making sure to chop it and not blend it. This smells so delicious. One-quarter cup of black olives, which I'm going to slice. One handful of grape tomatoes, sliced and chopped. Creaminess from the avocado. Top it with some chili powder. Just an option. Makes it look really pretty. And pepitas are really nice on top. I'm going to add some salted sunflower seeds. Let's taste it. Open wide. That was perfect. Mexican flavors that you are expecting absolutely come together. I love the red onion, the crunchiness of everything. We've got the creamy from the avocado, all the textures, all the flavors. Nom, nom, nom. And I prefer the chopped grape tomatoes instead of salsa. Maybe you can find, well, the salsa that I have is in the bottle and it's not fresh. So maybe if you have fresh salsa, or maybe you can make it yourself, that might be good. But this, I think, is just absolutely perfect. I'll put all the directions, everything I used. Oh, and you know what I forgot? Cumin. I forgot to show you that I did put cumin in it. You can also add some onion powder and garlic powder if you would like. And where's my cumin? Here it is. Cumin. I'm gonna put a little bit, hopefully, so we'll do it. Oh, there we go, perfect. And I didn't like hot sauce in it because on raw food, the flavors just kind of pop. And the hot sauce was just way too strong for me. I will put the recipe in the description below and let me know if you plan to make it and if you have any questions. Coming up are recipes that you'll find on this channel. And check out what else you can find and make and enjoy. For my favorite low-fat, oil-free, plant-based vegan recipes, order my cookbook with vegan nutrition facts on how to prevent and reverse disease, which chronicles my personal health and weight loss story through my website, thehigh5diet.com.